One of the most crucial aspects of your jewelry e-commerce website is having a seamless payment process. An easy, hassle-free payment process is the key to turning your interested browser into a satisfied customer. Here's how to make it happen. Number 1, offer multiple secure payment options. Credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay. Give your customers the freedom to choose the method that suits them best. And don't be shy to place those icons everywhere throughout your website, like in your footer and definitely on the cart and checkout page. Number 2 is to keep it simple. A cluttered checkout page with unnecessary steps is only going to frustrate your customers. Streamline the process by asking for essential information like shipping address and payment details, and remove your footer and any social links or sign up now buttons that just give your shoppers a distraction and a chance to go somewhere else. The last place you want to send them is off to social media. The third one is communication is key. After the purchase, send confirmation emails and order updates to keep your customers in the loop. Provide clear information on delivery timelines, tracking options, and contact details for any queries they might have. The post-shopping experience is crucial, and it's all about making your payment process as simple as possible for your customers. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and if you have found this video useful, then like and follow for more.